Dyson airwrap because it's supposed to make your life so much easier, but I'm here telling you that it took me a full year to figure out how it works for my hair type. So I have black, silky straight hair when I first got it, and now I have a little bit of highlights which actually worked perfectly fine with the airwrap because I felt like it held up the waves or the blowout look a lot longer than when I first got it. So but yeah, it took me a full year to get to this point where it's actually holding up pretty well. I think it's been 30 minutes since I styled my hair, and as you can see, it still has that body that we are looking for when using the airwrap. So if you want to see how I like to use my airwrap using the 1.2-inch barrels, then just keep on watching. So I'm starting off with a primer for my hair. This primer already has heat protectant in it. And then I'm using the blow dryer attachment to blow dry my hair to about 90 to 95%. Okay, so now my hair is around 95% dry, and now I'm using the 1.2-inch barrels to style my hair. So I sectioned my hair into 3, and then I'm taking 1-inch parts, and then that's how much I'm wrapping around the airwrap. I find that this is the best way so that it doesn't get tangled around the barrel. And then I'm counting 10 Mississippis until I give it a cool shot for around 3 to 5 Mississippis. And then once I'm done with the cool shot, before I turn it off, I grab a clip and I clip the curls together. Just like so. And then I turn it off and let it fall. This is a trick that I learned on TikTok. It just helps keep your hair curled as you finish styling the rest of your hair. And then I'm just doing the same thing on the other side of my hair using the barrel that's blowing out the hair away from your face. At this point, I'm really looking silly, but now we're down to the top section of the hair. So something that I learned after filming this video is the best way to curl the front pieces of your hair is to actually curl it up. And now we take off all of the clips, and we're gonna look really silly right here, but trust the process. After taking off all of the clips, what I like to do is just use my fingers and run it through my hair to make sure there aren't any clips that are left in there, and then just give it a nice fluff. And I'm using the Dry Bar Triple Sec 3-in-1 finishing spray. This really helps keep my volume, or like really keep the volume throughout the entire day. And then what I like to do is just go back and retouch any loose pieces of hair. So that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and learned something new. Like I said, if you have the Dyson airwrap, stick to it for a while. See if you like it for your hair up until, you know, the return period is over. Because I figured that even though I had a hard time learning how to use the barrels, all the other attachments were so good that it was worth it to keep it and try and figure it out. So yeah, that is it for today's video. If you want to see more Dyson airwrap tutorials 1 year after having it, then please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!